Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, July the 10th, 2021. Today's it's actually Sunday, but Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've told you earlier. What I will do is the rest of the puzzles in the additional. There are three puzzles left yesterday's newspaper in the additional: a letter Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku, and a Tectonic with 1 star. The first two I've already solved, and this is number 3. Number 3082. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, plus 4, 16 printed digits. Alright, and the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box. I see here only one single box. The single box is always a 1. Can we see here the dual box? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. Let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. Triple box then. Do we have any triple boxes here? No triple box in this puzzle. Quadra box. Let's see here. One quadra box. The 1 and 2 already filled in. So the other two numbers should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those two boxes. Well, we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some some shapes or structures or constructions or figures. For example, this figure, the L shape. Let me draw this. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So it's the same number, 1 or a 2, but we already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following figure. This figure we have here. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, only one shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape, this one. This one, yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes or figures here. Upside down or rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. And those are the figures or shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. Because then the following stage is, let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. By the way, there are more of these kind of shapes or figures. But in this puzzle, we have a 3 that you need to recognize. Okay. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4. Because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Alright, 4. Then. Quadra box. I've missed this quadra box. The 1 and the 3 are already filled in, so the other two numbers, the 2 and the 4, missing 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Then 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4 because we have a double 4 here. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4. Wait. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. But we have a 1 there. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 5 here, otherwise those 3 boxes cannot be a 5. And I need a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. I need to blow my nose every time because I have the hay fever. So this box cannot be a 5. The 5 should be here. Alright. Those 3 boxes should be the 2. Well, we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2. The 2 could be here, could be there. The 3 and the 5. Well, this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Okay, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think. Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see that 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 4. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape. For the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 3. Alright. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair there. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Alright. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 3. Well, we have a double 5 here. That means that this box cannot be a 5. Otherwise, I cannot place any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box should be a 5. Alright. I've marked those two boxes with a 4. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. I have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 5. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Well, I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. I have a double 3 there. So this box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright, great. Tectonic, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow on Monday. See you then. Bye bye for now.